Good morning, sixth graders. Welcome back. We are going to continue with the same task this week. Go ahead and first just answer the couple questions to review what we did yesterday. One second. What are some ways or strategies that authors use to support a claim? Check all the answers that apply. Good. And you should have that written down on not the first page of your packet. It'll be like the second one where it said, how can authors support their claims? You should have that written down from yesterday. Next. Which of the following best identifies the author's claim in Obama's take on standardized tests? Okay, so if you don't have an exact answer that you identified yesterday by the end of the reading, that's okay. But as long as it's somewhat close to this. So what we're going to do right now, flip to the page in your packet that says week at a glance, and it has each day, and then it says your job. So we know that today is Tuesday. Follow along while we read. What is our job today? We must, 1, read and annotate 2 articles on animal ethics using reading strategies, and 2, use gathered information to answer the prompt. So we know that in order to answer the prompt at the end of the week, we're going to have to be able to identify the author's claim of each of these 3 articles. We did one yesterday. You're reading to find out those 2 things today. But make sure you annotate the article the same way the Obama one was annotated yesterday. Flip to the Obama article one last time where it says Obama's take on standardized tests. So flip to that page, please. So you guys should be able to see on here, again, my annotations where I made a lot of inferences about what I saw. Again, the highlights, there was a lot of highlights in here too, but when I photocopied, they didn't go through. Stop and jots of central ideas, vocab words I didn't know. And then at the end, you had to answer the questions about what's the author's claim and how is it supported. I didn't put that box with those 2 questions at the end of the next 2 articles. I'm just expecting you to know to do it because you should obviously be finding those things to answer the prompt. So flip to the 2 articles you're reading today. It starts with lion that was protected is killed by American hunter. If you want the read aloud, go to the next 2 videos on the site. If not, then do it on your own. Make sure your annotations are strong. Make sure you have all information possible to answer our writing prompt this week.